Today we talk about how can you log out of your account on your Talkie app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go down here, you click on this sign down here. When you just click on it, so then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you go above this sign, click on it. When you just click on it, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then you click here on logout. When you just click here on logout here, so then here automatically it's going to take you out of your account on your Turkey app. So that's all you have to do to log out of your account. That's all. I wish you a great. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.